So this is our today problem, Iceland perimeter. So we have given a two-dimensional array and its rows is marked with value 0 and 1. There are no values other than this. So 0 value represent the water and 1 value represent the land. Like in this example, we can see we have given this value 0, which represent the water, and this value 1, which represent the land. So we have to find the perimeter of the given lands. Like we have given this land portion, so we have to find the perimeter of this. We also take care that we have given that does not land does not contain any lakes, means there are not water source between the lands, means this portion cannot be the water, means this value cannot be the 0. So we have to take care of that. So first for this value we have given that its length is 1, each side's length is 1, so its perimeter will be the length that cover this shape, so its perimeter will be 4 into 1, means its perimeter will be 4. So we have to find the perimeter, means we have to find the length that cover the our whole land. So this is our question. So first understand how we will solve this problem. We will check that is this length, is this element is land or water. Means if value is 0, then it is water. If value is 1, means it is land. So if the value is 0, then we will cross it, means it doesn't matter what is the perimeter of this. If value is 1, then we will add the perimeter in our value, and we will check that is there are any previous land which value is associated, means which sides are associated with its. So there are no previous means the left portion which we have covered and the top portion which we have covered. So there are no left or right, no left and top, means on the left side it has water, and top side it also has water, so its perimeter will be 4 added. Then we go to this place, this is water, so there will be no, then this place nothing. When we go to this place, this is also land, so first we will add its perimeter, then we will check that is there are any land coming before this, means left side and top side. No, there are no land, so we will move to the next. At this element, first we add its perimeter, then we will check that is there are any side that is also same for the other land, means is there are any side which we have already calculated. So for this example we can see this side is already calculated and this side is already calculated. So if this side is already calculated and it is common, the perimeter will be the outer portion, not be the inner portion. This will be counted, so inner portion will not count, so we have to remove this from our value. So this line is also for this per land and for our current land, so we will remove -2, means for upper land and our current land. For similarly this node, this side is common between this node and this node, so this side will be also removed, so we will remove -2 from this. Then we go further, this is calculated. When we are at this node, first we will add its perimeter in it. After that we will check that if there are any side that is common with the land, so left side is common with the land. So we will remove this side from our perimeter. So we will remove -2, -1 for this element and -1 for its previous element, which side is aligning with this. After that, we will check this. This is our water. Then this is our water. When we will this node, then we will first add +4, means we first add the perimeter, then we will check is there are any land calculated before it and which side is aligning with the element, means is there are any upper part, upper value and its left value is land. So yes, its per value is land. So we will subtract -2 from it. Then we will go further. It is not land, it is not land, it is land. So first we will add its perimeter. So we added its perimeter. Then is there are any previous land, means upper side and left side, that is land and aligning, means sharing a side with it. So no sharing of side. After that we go to the next node. So on this node we will first add its perimeter. Then we will check is there are any side that aligning with this. So yes, it's also have upper side that aligning with this and left side that is also aligning with this. So for upper side we will subtract -2 and for this side, means left side, we will also subtract -2. So what will be our total value? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 28. And mine how -2 we will subtract 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So we will subtract 12 from it. So we will get 6. So 6, 16 is the perimeter for this land. So let's check the code. So for code we created a variable perimeter and we will iterate in the grid and we will check that is grid value is 0, means if it is water then we will continue, we do not need to check further. Otherwise we will add perimeter, means we will add +4 to the perimeter. Then I will check, means after this I will check that its upper side value and left side value is land, means if its upper side value means grid I -1 is land, then we will subtract -2, means there are a common side which should not be calculated for the both, and same for the left side. After that we will return our perimeter. So this is our solution, and you can see bit 99.57 is pretty much very good solution, and this is very simple approach. We do not have to do any algorithmic things like DFS, VFS. We just search that is this value is side is already calculated. Then we will add only 3 parts or 2 parts. Otherwise, we will add the whole perimeter. So this is our video. Thank you.